Man, these are some great looking alternators from JS Alternators. They're the leader in the slingshot world and now making a foray into off-roading. Jonathan, you've made a heck of a splash. How many models do you cover with JS Alternators?
So we offer over 900 applications, various vehicles, ranging from 250 amps to 400 amps. We really specialize in off-road boating. Anyone that has a winches, lights, big stereo systems, these alternators are great for their applications.
Compared to a stock alternator, how much more power am I getting from a JS alternator?
So typically your stock alternator puts out about 130 amps. Our alternators start out at 250 amps and range all the way up to 400 amps. And they produce about 170 amps at idle. So at idle, our alternators are producing more than the stock alternators putting at maximum output.
And of course, once you get more power, you need to be able to get that power from the battery. Bigger cables, you guys manufacture those as well.
Yeah, we do everything in-house. It's called the Big 3 cable. So that is upgrading the cable from the alternator to the battery and upgrading your grounds from the battery to the chassis and your engine to the chassis as well. So you get great current flow.
How about the quality? How do you ensure that you're putting out the best alternators out there?
Every alternator goes through a rigorous test. They reach over 200 degrees on the test bench. We put a 400 amp direct load on the alternator so they're double tested to ensure that the best quality goes out.
And having a small company also helps you ensure you're getting that quality, does it not?
Yeah, we get that personal hands-on approach, so we're touching every single alternator versus a company is just sending it down an assembly line. So we get that personal touch, building each and every one. We do powder coat in-house.
And with the powder coating, how many different colors do you offer, and can you do custom jobs as well?
Yes, we offer around 20 different colors. If there's a color that a customer needs, we do use prismatic powders. We have a lot of times where a customer wants to match their Jeep, and we'll just simply order the powder for them and powder coat it to match their Jeep.
As you know, every vehicle is different, and that means sometimes you may have to manufacture something to fit someone's application. Do you offer custom alternators?
Yes, we do offer custom. We actually have one here where we offer custom bracketry. We have those custom made in-house. So for instance, Audi, Volkswagens, where a lot of the manufacturers do not offer them at all, we do offer those, which puts us ahead. Like I said, we offer for 900 different vehicles, 2,000 applications.
What are some of the problems you see with folks running stock alternators out there? They want to hit the trail right away, and they don't come and see you guys.
Yeah, so the biggest problem we see is whenever they're winching, their voltage is dropping to 11 volts, and they're just not able to crawl as good whenever they're doing rock crawling. Even when they're loading up on their trailers, their voltage is dropping. So with the high output alternator, it'll get them up and on the trailer, get them through the rocks and through the mountain a lot easier and a lot better.
If you're going to take your Jeep anywhere but the pavement, you're going to need more power. You're going to need an alternator from JS Alternators. Find them at js-alternators.com.